And I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with.
Watch full video and please subscribe.
First, create new sold.
Follow the process. Go to Effect and search Saber. Go to Custom Core and select Layer Mask. Now set End Offset 0 and press clock icon to start offset and press 0. Follow the process. Now set start offset 100. Now, go to the preset and click Axe Rescue. Select all and pre-compose it. Now go to the text and text. Press S and adjust the text size. Now go to Layer and click Auto Trace. Follow the process. Delete it. Go to Effect and search Saber. Go to Custom Core and select Layer Mask. Adjust the glow. Now set End Offset 0 and press clock icon to start offset and press 0. Now set 100. Click Transparent. Animation is ready.
And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.